Hello, welcome back. Welcome back. I'm John, an old YouTuber and PC gamer. We have the early Danish evening news in like 15 minutes, 6:30 p.m. So let's do the last one. National Semiconductor SCMP chips. That's only 3 pages. So we can just finish that. Then I will watch the Danish evening news. Then I need to make a video about Ukraine in Danish. I did that the last 82 days, 83 days. Actually, I have a Ukraine PDF I like to read, but if I do it tonight, I don't know. Maybe I'll just watch the news. I had some Danish comic. I have a box of comic. I will open, I think. Then I could just relax a bit. I don't know. I'll look what I do later tonight. But let's finish this one.
National Semiconductor SC/MP. PMOS SC/MP die, ISP/500, National Semiconductors INS 8060, or SC/MP, pronounced SCMP, for simple cost-effective microprocessor, is an early 8-bit microprocessor which became available in April 1976. A unique feature of the SC/MP is a daisy-chained control pin. They to load up to 3 SC/MPs share a single main memory to produce a multiprocessor system. To lower cost, the system used a bit serial arithmetic logic unit, ALU, and was thus significantly slower than contemporary designs like the Intel 8080 or MO 6502, which had parallel ALUs. Another oddity was that the program counter could only access the lower 12 bits of the 16-bit address, and the upper 4 bits had to be set using special instructions. The result was that instructions accessed main memory as 16 4KB pages, and reaching memory outside those pages required multiple instructions. The combination of slow speed and paged memory limited its attractiveness, especially in the markets that might need a multiprocessing system. It saw very little use in the market. NSSC/MP registers 15.07. 00 bit position, pointer registers P0, PC, pointer 0 / program counter 1 pointer 1 P2 pointer 2 P3 pointer 3 accumulator tension program status register 76543210, bit position, COFSP 2 F1 F0 status. Contents. Design basic features. Bus control. SC/MP unusual features. Implementations. Uses. Notes. References. Design. Basic features. Like most 8-bit microprocessors of the era, the SC/MP is based around a 16-bit address and an 8-bit data bus. To lower pin count, the external address bus contains only 12 pins, sharing 4 pins from the data bus to create a complete 16-bit address. Internally, the program counter is 12 bits wide, and there are separate instructions to set the upper 4 bits. This provides a memory map of 16 4KB pages, and program code could not refer to code or data outside its own page. Internally it provided 5 registers plus program counter. Subroutine and interrupt handling were implemented by pointer register 3P, although this could also be used as a general-purpose 16-bit index register. Bus control. A unique feature of the SC/MP was a shared daisy-chained control line that allowed multiple SC/MP, or more commonly a single SC/MP and related direct memory access controllers, to share access to a single main memory. When any one of the chips on the bus desired access to memory, it would set the ENO pin high, thereby signaling the other chips' ENO pins that they had to release the bus. With other processors, this would normally require external logic implemented by the board designers to pause the CPU to the same end, often with some complexity due to the internal instruction timing that was not visible to the external circuits. In the SC/MP this was all included internally, so a single line on the circuit board was all that was needed to implement this feature. The original idea was to ease the creation of microcontroller-like applications containing an SC/MP, one or more DMA controllers, and a single shared memory. Designed specifically to be as low cost as possible in terms of an overall system, the desire to lower the cost of the SC/MP itself also led to decisions about pivot serial ALU and the inclusion of serial input/output lines to eliminate the need for a separate UART. This feature was removed in the later SC/MP3. SC/MP unusual features. SC/MP increments the program counter before fetching the instruction, so that on reset it actually starts executing instructions from location 0001. This also needs to be taken into account for calculating displacements, since the offset will be added to the program counter, which will be still pointing to the location of the displacement and not the next instruction. Implementations. MOS SC/MP2 die, ISP/ATA/600, ISP/ATA/500 SC/MP1 clocked at 1 MHz. First implementation. P-channel MOS technology, INS 8060 ISP/ATA/600 SC/MP2 clocked at 4 MHz, internally 2 MHz. First N-channel MOS version, single plus 5V supply, INS 807X SC/MP3 clocked at 4 MHz, internally 2 MHz, included variations with up to 4 KB ROM, optional onboard BASIC, MIB, uses. The SC/MP was also used as the basis of a single-board microcontroller produced by Science of Cambridge, later Sinclair Research Limited, called the MK14. Montgomery Elevator Co. of Moline IL, later purchased by Co. Inc., used the SC/MP as the basis for its first microprocessor-based elevator controller released in 1975. There are still many of these units running in buildings across the U.S. Nodes. This segmented memory approach was more famous in the Intel 8088. References. More info and emulators. Nationals.
Let's stop. So we did it close to 10 minutes, and we have the Danish news in 10 minutes. So I did like to read this, because this is not just only about Intel CPUs. So I will go and upload this, and this is to the garbage. This will go to the garbage. Yes, but we can take a little bit cola. But I need to look the evening news in 10 minutes. We got 6.3 million refugees out of Ukraine. I record a video about that every day in the last 83 days. I think that's day 82 today. You can see that. But they're not talking about much this war in Ukraine anymore in the news, because it's like that, and they only talk in the start of the news, and then after some weeks and months they not mention the war anymore. Yes, that's like war in Yemen and Syria and all kind of other conflicts. It's still going on, but I'll not mention that. We're having big hunger in Eastern Africa, Ethiopia. Millions of people are refugees there. They're not talking about that in the news. That's because of the climate change. All the animals are die of thirst because they don't have water for the animals. And when the animals are dying, they don't have anything to make food. So there's many millions of refugees, especially in Eastern Africa. Now I can see what day it is. No, that's day 82. That's the day 82. But I will make the folder to this one. But actually I would like to read the Ukraine PDF. I did download the Ukraine. But I start to get tired, maybe not do it now because that's very big. That can take many hours. I don't think I will spend my evening to do this. I maybe just relax today. That's the SCMP. I don't think you cannot use the backslash in titles and video. I think you cannot do that. No. File name, you cannot use this backslash, or just use a normal slash. So I will upload this and I will continue later tonight or tomorrow, or just relax today.